Oh yeah, these came today. They were shipped in a very slim box and I was a little worried. But they're fine. And they're beautiful. And they're Taiwanese. I don't care. They all sit perfectly flat. That's a miracle. These are not spinners. You know, getting the machining is what I wanted. This says 8-inch, but it's really 7.5. That's a 10 1/4. This says 6.5, and it's like 6 1/8. And I like them because they're low profile. Most pans are very deep. These are beautiful, and the sloping sides, the machining, and they're like new. That lip is very funny. There's a total lip right here. I could grind that off if I wanted. If I were anal about it. Maybe I will. I'm going to season these with PAM. PAM. Very nice and clean. Nice feel to the hand. Cool. Good Thursday. Let's wash these up. Warm them up in the oven. Wipe them down with some PAM. Wipe all the PAM off until you think it's completely dry. We're going to stick them in the oven at 450 for anywhere 30 to 50 minutes. I've read that it takes less time with PAM, but we'll see. Let's wash them up. Let's find out what we got. One. Man. Definitely darker. We're gonna do 2 more rounds and then we'll do an egg test. Round 2. That's 3 rounds in the oven, 450 for an hour. They're still a little amber, but they're pretty dark. I'm gonna have to cook some eggs on these tomorrow morning.